these are shellfish, right?
So this is called a conch.
A cum?
Yeah, conch. So conch is like a mollusk. It's, you can blow it. You see what it looks like?
How you do that? How you do that? Bro, I always wanted to learn this. Oh, that one? I've been trying to learn this for like the whole tour. Buddy, I never blown a trumpet. That's why. I'm trying though. What? Bruh. Is that?
Keep blowing a trumpet. That's it.
I never blew a trumpet, guys. Oh, like that.
There you go, there you go.
Oh my God, I'm about to pass out.